Japan.
Easy money.
I lost track of time, guys. This gives me Stranger Things vibes. Yeah, that's a different song. I literally lost track of time, though. Wait, where's my gappers? I need to take a look at my gappers. There's one. And large cap. There it is. I was taking a look at Tesla and seeing what I can find, but... Oh, you know what I do want to try today? Good morning, Darth Trader. Good morning, Zach. Alright. I wanted to try... First of all, let me write my gappers down so I don't forget them. So I got Usea, whatever that is. I got IINN again. Of course. Why are they all doing this stuff, man? It's so annoying. We got Tide. I think Darth Trader, you called that BBBY yesterday, right? Did it do anything overnight? Wow, and Vero actually pulled back over, and I thought Vero was going to keep going higher. Vero has a all-time high of like $17, so I thought that one was going to keep going. Alright, so good morning, Finger Cross. Good morning, Zach. Mercer, good morning, bro. I think I got them all down. And then... Oh, I need to turn that off because that's going to get annoying. And then I do want to make... I might be able to do it right here. Like this, and then put it to the red. Make it a little bigger. And then... Studies. Study set. like that. And where's my style? Like that. Like that. Just like that. And then I can put this down here. And on this one I can try that. How do we think? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? Pretty good, huh? Wait, why does it show it all the way to the end on that one? So the less ticks, the more candles, right? Yes, I think so. That might be a little too less. Let's go. I guess we'll try the 133. Alright, we'll try that. We'll try that. Good morning, Jesperanza. Jimmy is getting a 3-1. I thought it was 4-1. I thought GME was a 4-1. Timothy, good morning over on YouTube. Watch this for me. You said 10 Vero INNN. I got the same thing plus I think Tide was on mine, but this one looks not the best. And then FFIE, which was stock from the other day that I did trade this one. 6-4 there, and today we're kind of bottomed out and then recovered. So I guess keep an eye on these. I just have it alerts over 550 on that one. Good morning, Blair. Hold on, my music again, man. Like every time yeah, it's 4-1. It's a 4-1. Who said it? Zach? Yeah, Jimmy. It's 4-1, I think. We're pretty sure. With just because of that, I guarantee you it's gonna rally a little bit. Okay, man, this is gonna be hard to see down here though. I don't get how people day trade with all the super small screens. Like I have my giant screen for my main one. I just got used to seeing it in big. But so many people like would only trade off of these tiny little screens, but like 3 or 4 of them, and that's all they have. So let's go down the list again and actually look at them this time. So Usea is number 1. Oh, Usea is the IPO. This one looks good. This one can get interesting. Usea can get interesting. Oh, I forgot freaking trend lines don't work on tick charts. It's dumb. Oh, Areb. I'll see it. Okay, so this one I'm going to put as my number 1 over here. But this one's also an IPO, so that makes it interesting too. In. The high on in. Oh, this is the high on in now. So this is at pre-market. Let me take away some of these lines. So in the high used to be that 264, now it's 287. So $3 could be next. So I'm liking this one. This is the one that had a lot of shorts. So maybe if they're still not out and we start squeezing them back again during market open, we can get some momentum on this one. Pretty nice squeeze there today. Tide. This one doesn't look that interesting. I'm gonna leave that one alone for a little bit. FFIE, I would need it over that 5.5 because this one's high is not until 6.4, so it's a little bit away. 10 looks like it's on a nice little rally here, but it's kind of lower volume. But I do see that its all-time high is 1993, so maybe this one will try to get 20 bucks. And then Ape Trade's favorite. Wait, is that the last one on mine? Oh, Viru. Viru, I'm kind of upset. I saw yesterday rally at close, which, I mean, first of all, we all watched it all day long and lost money on it, and then it decides to rally. And then it actually pulled back. At one point in here, I was like, I kind of want to get some, because this will probably gap up again, and then rally, because this high Viru has a high of 17.5, which now is just less than $2 away. Like, I think I didn't buy anything overnight because it just pulled back. And then Areb. Why can I not? Areb. Okay, okay. What is this one's high? 1068. Morning, CryptoWire. I see your message now. Good morning, good morning. Areb definitely squeezing over that 180. And IINN also has that float of 8 million, so that one can definitely move if we pick up volume on that one. This one I'm going to keep on watch too. 175. $2 would be next target. And then I don't know what that lineup here is doing, so I'm going to delete that one. Put that one right here. Alright, so it looks like I got my top 3 stocks and then 10 maybe. Or the stock number 10 is a maybe. But Osea is number 1, INN, and Areb number 2. Areb, I want it over VWAP first of all, which is at 145, 150 mark. IINN wanted to hold this level here, which is VWAP as well, 264, come back up and maybe reclaim 270. And then Osea, yeah, FFI. Good morning, SCT 5099, SCT 99, and Joey and Blair. I really need at least one of these stocks to start doing something. I haven't had a good trading day in a while. Kind of just been scratching every single day, but it's been like this for a couple weeks, so we need something to turn around. So Osea is probably still my number 1 pick, just because it's an IPO. This is the highest it's ever been, sitting at 879. Let's see. Let's try to find the support on this one. Oh, also another thing, guys. I contacted Thinkorswim yesterday. It'd be nice to get a big dump today. I'm trying to get in more Tesla, but not up here where it's at. Oh yeah. If you don't like coffee, I'm just trying Caribou Coffee. They sell K-Cups at Target and Kroger. I've never liked coffee before, but this coffee is really, really good. Nice. I'm not a big coffee guy. I like it, but I don't drink it a lot. My wife gets mad at me if I was to drink it because a lot of sugar and all that stuff. But then again, I tend to have high blood pressure, so. There's a float for USEG. No, probably because it's an IPO still. Well, I don't know. I don't know why. Maybe, but no, it doesn't show it on mine either. You're right. You're right. It doesn't show. Timothy, do you know about any free websites that show volume and float of stocks? Yeah, you should be able to find it online on Finbiz maybe shows it. Benzinga maybe it'll show it. Maybe even Yahoo.com. Just look it up on YahooFinance.com. Yahoo Finance, and then it should probably show you. But it's probably one of those where you have to type it in all the time. Okay, so yeah. So Mersa said you can look it up on Finbiz. Abetrader said Yahoo Finance, and then Darth Trader said floatchecker.com. www.floatchecker.com. That kind of sounds like it's not even true. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, Jess Bronson shows 1.5. Yeah, no problem, Timothy. I would check. I would check any of those. Oh, here's Usea. Right off that trendline support here that I'd already had. So Seiya is going to be probably number 1. Kyrian is in here. Let's go, Kyrian. Kyrian makes his money real quick and then he dips. So we gotta watch out for Kyrian. We gotta see what Kyrian's gonna do and just replicate it. We got a little bit under 4 minutes. Any large caps you guys want me to look at real quick? Darth Trader was looking at AMD for a while. So what is AMD doing? Ooh, AMD's at the top of that channel. At the top of that little downtrend thing. Right here, Darth Trader. So you got that high, that low, high, low again, high, high, low, and high, and you're right there on that one. You're right there on that one. This is also one, I guess you can count 2 in there, 3, 4. This is a 4. This is the 5th time. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th time we get to that level though. So I don't know if it would expect a rejection now or not. Especially because this stock is so beaten down. So honestly, I would probably expect a break on this one. Good morning, Jay Bailey. Honestly, I would probably expect more of a bounce on this one than a... Look how low this AMD stock is. AMD needs a little bit of a break. I would expect AMD to pull back up to 83s. That's what I think. That's what I think. But you'll have to keep an eye on it today, and then watch that trend line, and then watch it around that area, and see if you get a nice little break of it. But AMD could be interesting. I don't know why I randomly decided to look at it, but I guess this is that line too right there. Yeah, that's it. It's already at it. Look at it. Usea, what are you doing, Usea? Usea has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-minute candles right now. This is the 5th candle forming. ADIV 85%. I do have ADIV on my side chart, and I got an alert on it, and I'm ready to go on that one. Same for IINN, and then same for 10, but I'm not that excited about that one. More excited about ADIV, IINN, and USEA, and I guess Vera as well, because that one had the nice squeeze after market yesterday, even though it didn't hold it. But I will have an alert up here, just anywhere above VWAP, and keep it there. I hope shorts. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I contacted Thinkorswim yesterday, and I got enrolled in the Hard to Borrow program. So technically, I should be able to short some of these Hard to Borrow stocks. So now I'm on the lookout for the shorts, Agaska, Morte, whoever else is in here. Smitty, what's up, Smitty? You're in here early today. So I guess looking at Usea, I wouldn't even be $8 is a whole number right here. Don't tell me this one's gonna go out of the gate. This tick chart down here looks so different. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at ADEB. ADEB Ape Trades. ADEB is making a nice move. Needs to close over VWAP on ADEB though. And then Usea up here. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So I gotta try it. And there's no way I can find out if I can short him or not unless I click the sell button. Usea is holding up nicely. Okay. I spoke a little too soon. You're right, ADEB could not hold VWAP, so now we know we need to hold VWAP on ADEB. and then Nusea. Let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be the sixth. How did you make already $500 on Nusea, Kirian? Riddish, welcome back, man. How the heck did you make $500 on Nusea already? Here's $8 again on Nusea right here. Quick hands, you got it from me. Adeb is spiked up to that same point, Ape Trades. You got the quick hands from me, and more like you stole the quick hands from me, because I haven't been able to do any quick hands recently. There goes Adeb. I'm still watching Nusea, seeing if we get this break of $8 on Nusea. Nusea is one of the stocks that is pretty volatile, so I might try to slowly scale into some of these positions. Adeb trying to hold VWAP. Maybe that's a small little dip buy. Adeb is holding that VWAP very nice. Nusea trying again for this $8 break here. Nusea wants to break out of this level here. Nusea wants to break out of $8. If it breaks $8, it might have a pretty nice run, but it doesn't. It's not doing it. You are calling out FFIE. Yep, FFIE shot my alert. Looks like I might have to stop out of Nusea. Unless this dip gets ridiculously bought up. Wow, look at Nusea just turned around off those lows. That is a lot of buying pressure on that one. That was a lot of buying. So watch the break of $8 here maybe. That was a lot of buyers off that low. Nusea has to break this $8. Please let us get one stock that just goes crazy. This is that same uptrend line, so we broke below it, reclaimed it, and now we're holding it again, so watching here still. A lot of buyers stepped down there right above VWAP and pulled it right back up. I'm still watching FFIE. What is the high on FFIE? Oh, 6.4 is the high on FFIE. Level 2 thin as fuck over $8. Yeah, if this breaks $8, we might really start opening up. Easily could pop up to 840, 850 maybe. But hey, we can't even get up to $8 now. 813, then 897. I do see that. I do see that. You're right. I see exactly what you're saying, Ape Trades. Down there. Actually, that reminds me. Look at all those buys down there. Looks like I'm just going to put my stop loss down there, and if I get stopped out, then I'll get stopped out, but actually this doesn't look good now. I might just stop out myself. I'm going to get out of that trade. I'm not liking it at all, man. I thought I had a good cost basis too. I thought I was down and low here. Like at one point, just on these tiny low candles, I was up like $100, but the only thing I can think of is maybe re-add lower on a small little dip. How did Adeb and FFI? Oh, both of them turned around, man. Momentum scanner picking up Neo. How is it picking up Neo? What did Neo do this time? Still looking at USEA for the break of $8. If we break $8 on USEA, we're definitely gonna fly up to 879 maybe. Get hitting you high. This down here is what I'm saying. The bounce of BWAP down there. I might buy down there. I don't usually chase falling knives, but this stock was getting bought up every single time. And this is a little flush below VWAP, so what I wanted to do is flush down, buy, and then reclaim VWAP, just like that. So nice, nasty little flush down, and then reclaim VWAP like that. So just with 500 shares on that little buy, it's about almost making up all of my loss on that stock. But now I would want this to keep going, keep recovering, at least come back up. So a little bit of those falling knives right there when they fall down to support and try to reclaim that same candle wick back up. Oh, this stock just feels so heavy now. Yeah, this feels super heavy. That feels so heavy. This is ridiculous, guys. I'm about to just like not trade for like 5 months and then come back. That's what I'm just gonna do. I think that's just what I'm gonna do because this is so annoying. FFE back up. Okay, I see that. I'm gonna put alert here. Now I see USEA back up, trying to also. It just seems like the obvious stock that you think is gonna do something, it's not going to. So it's like you might as well not look at it. Up here it goes now though. Who's up 40? Blair, good job. Am I going back to work? I might just be like, hey, can you guys hire me for like 4 months? Just give me 4 months and that's it. I need to go back to work for a little bit until this market comes back, and then come back when it's all hot. I'm just trying to catch small little dips with very small share size on Osea, trying to see if this stock really wants to open up. So I'm buying low, very small share size. All of them have been green on every time I buy, but And none of them have been able to rip up that have given me a good profit. Or at least a nice little move. See, like this one, I'm about to just lock in $40 profit there. FFIE, I do see it as well. I'm going back to work. I finally found my strategy, but my capital is low. Okay. If you scale in 100 shares at a time, adding another 100 averaging down could be good. That's what I was trying with 500, but it's just doesn't open. I'm still watching FFIE because it's pulling back a little bit up here and it looks good. Right over that $5.57. But the only thing with that one is its high is pretty still 664. I'd rather it be reclaiming $6 for now. And why is the whole market rallying? Because Tesla is also flying. Grove halted up. Here goes Usea again. Notice, do you guys can tell the difference how heavy this stock feels? Like you see how every spike, first of all, it triple top $8 and then didn't even reach $8, then didn't even reach 781, pulled all the way back down, couldn't even reclaim that one wick, and then these little three spikes right here, as soon as it pops up, it tucks right below. It literally pulls down immediately. FFI, hold on. FFIE is consolidating pretty nice right here. Do we think FFIE has another leg up? That's 3 candles holding this low here. Wow, I was about to buy and look at that. I literally was just saying it was making 3 candles, and then as soon as I was about to, it just rallied on FFIE. And then all of a sudden, now the volume of Useo is all gone. Nobody's here. There goes FFIE. I just called it and I didn't take that trade. There it goes. Wow. Maybe take a nice scalp over 557 retest, maybe. Oh, there goes Useo. Nope. Maybe. Maybe Useo. Maybe Useo wants to get back over to $8. Maybe Useo. No, Useo doesn't want to do anything. Forget that stock. I'm gonna go back to FFIE. This is a small little scalp maybe here. Maybe add a little bit there. See if this stock wants to keep rallying back up. Same thing with the other one. Buy that the little bit of a dip to reclaim it. And then see if it wants to make a new high. I got a terrible fail on that second entry though. And then reclaim that wick and then back to a new high maybe. This candle has 30 seconds still left, so I need this next candle to pop up higher. There we go. I have 5,000 shares. I didn't realize I had 5,000 shares. I thought about 1,500. There's that reclaim. There's that wick reclaim. I just calling it. Finally, something good, man. Finally, something good, man. Oh, finally something good. Now keep ripping for me. Keep opening up. Go up to $6. I'm gonna hold these 1,500 shares. Where is my cost basis? Down here at 5.6. I want this stock to now finally fly up, rip up. I have open position of $460 profit. So let's see if this one wants to keep opening up back up to $6, and 6.4 is its high, so it's not like it can't do it. I did lose 100 on Nusea though, so it's still a small green day so far. I want to see if FFIE does want to keep. I wanted this one down here, honestly. I called it down there and I didn't jump in it. I was like, this one's holding two lows right here. And then I didn't buy in on that one. Nice dip and rip on Grove. I forgot about Grove. Nice. Good job coming out of a halt. Who took that one? Zach? Was that Zach? Good job, man. Good job. Where's the halt? Yep. Still holding my shares on FFIE. Looks like I'm trying to be patient with these. I want to take this $121 because otherwise it'll drop it down to 200. So I think I will. I know I should be a little bit more patient, guys, but I've had pretty bad days recently. So I'm going to take that extra $100 on that trade, because if it would have stopped me out of break even, I would have given back 121, which would have dropped it down to $300 profit, and with the other one I would have barely been up. So I'm looking at that $452 trade on that one. Grove, can it break 650? If it breaks 650, 651, that might be your next entry, although this is pretty overextended. And then watching Usea again, trying to come back up. Can Usea make a surprise squeeze? With all this action going on, with FFIE kind of opening up, with Grove halting and going higher, can Usea do something too? The only thing I'm scared of with the Usea is for it to do something like MTech did, where it rallied, it spiked, and flushed down so hard you couldn't even do anything. But here goes Usea, guys. Usea trying to get this $8 right here. Wow. See, similar to MTech. Watch it. What is this level here? 841. Watching Usea. It's trying to hold $8. That first candle, of course, it closes at $8. It's always going to do that because it's so controlled. Watching Usea. It's trying to hold $8. How did it spike up higher right there? Yeah, I figured something stupid was going to happen on this one. When you have so much volume like that, something stupid is about to happen. Like, it never moves nicely. It's like the shorts. Oh, of course, now that FFI did keep rallying. Oh well, I knew I was gonna take my profit, and I knew I was gonna risk something like this keep happening, but oh well. But now FFIE is going back to that all-time high, which is at 6.4. So FFIE trying to open up right at under $6 now. FFIE picking up some volume, reaching $6 just now. Let me move this up to $6. Look at FFIE. FFIE hitting $6 to the penny and turned back around. $6.7 next support. Someone just sold 100K at $6. All right, we'll take him down. We'll take him down. Smitty, good job making 190 on Usea on that play right there. I didn't jump in on that one because it was so glitchy and messed up, and I knew something weird was gonna happen. When you have so much volume and trying to squeeze like that, sometimes the wick just spawn, you get a new high, you have no time to exit, to buy. It's just not clean. I do want FFIE to keep rallying because 6-4 is all highs on this one. And if we get back up to that level and looks like it's strong, I might be able to take one trade pretty aggressively on here. We're trying to hold these higher lows here and get an attempt to $6 again. There we go. Can we break $6 this time? What is this 6? Ask on Ape Trades, 112. 112 at $6. I do see that. Can we break that seller? Can we squeeze through $6? What's after 6? 6.3, 6.6, 6.9, 6.18. Sniper Trades might have an order ready over above $6, so we'll see. We're getting closer to it. 599 is what we hit on that one. A lot of buy orders there. Here's 6. Now we're taking 6. Is that ask? Oh, I see 300 now. 314, 317 is not going lower. That $6 asks did not start going lower once we hit it. Okay, but here's another attempt. We held an even higher low. Now it went down. There we go. Good opening there. Can we keep this through? Can we keep pushing through though? There we go. Nice, 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 nice. I'm only in with 500 though. I'm stopping out on that flush. I should have taken profit like I always do, but trying to wait for that big move, so I didn't on that one and turned back around. But I decided to cut it out because of that flush right there. So was able to make another like 50 bucks on that trade real quick. So lots of sellers at 6. Looking at Grove. Yeah, did Grove break that 649? No, we did not. What is the high on Grove? 2275 though. FFIE, let's see. I keep forgetting to try to find some dips too though. Like that would have been a dip maybe. We're holding this uptrend here. I forgot I can short now too. I forgot I can short now, and this is a hard to borrow. I wonder if it just lets me though. I guess not. I guess not. I guess I guess EbTrades was right. Let's see. Looking at Grove entry 651 is your entry. Yeah. So right now, currently looking at Grove. I guess it could be a good play if we get some opening on Grove. Still keeping an eye on FFIE. FFIE is right under its low, so if we start opening up on FFIE, if we actually hold $8 for a while too, that would be pretty good. If Tesla goes up to 730, if Tesla goes up to 730, oh, here goes FFIE again. I don't know. I was gonna say if Tesla goes up to 730, I might look at some puts. Out of downtrend break. Oh, I see it. Watch the downtrend break on Adev, and then maybe a reclaim of that VWAP. Kevin Buchili up 3,300 green off 6,500 at Areb. Good job. Wait, you bought at Areb at what price? No, you didn't put a price. Good job, Kev. Good job. I've only had one good trade. I took paper cuts on USEA, but one good trade on FFIE. Missed it down here. Missed that big rally without my shares, and then re-entered up here for a little bit more. 636 support on. The only thing is this uptrend. We're getting on that backside of that uptrend with that $6 holding as resistance. So I'd be scared that this flushes down a little bit for a while. Besides this, I guess I'm picking up CTIC on Momentum Scanner, but I haven't looked at that one. CTIC down here. Okay. Still no trades. Still no trades. These weird times for me. This is weird. Like, I literally today, I don't know if you were here or not, this morning I literally was like, I'm literally just going to go back to work for the next 4 months and then come back when the market is different because this sucks. But I'm obviously joking. But yeah, I know what you're saying, sniper trades. These, nothing wants to rally, nothing wants to work. I mean, you get a one, I mean, I guess you could have that opening, but nobody catches those. It's impossible, especially because it's not a gapper. And then you get one good opening and that's it. So Grove is failing, FFIE is failing, USEA is failing, Adev is not breaking that downtrend. Can you take LGVN? Oh, there goes BBBY. Darth Trader called this one out yesterday. Hey, Darth Trader called this one out yesterday before this big old rally. Good job, Darth Trader. Did you get in on this one though? Did you get in it yourself? Oh, you did? And then LGVN. Ape Trades, what do you have your volume set on for? I want to see if FFIE returns, comes back up and reclaims $6 though. What do you have your volume on your momentum scanner? Because LGVN is not showing up on mine and it looks a little bit lower volume. Yeah, these candles have like 5,000 volume. Okay, I see. Oh, Smitty, I never looked at your trade recap. Which stock you say 5 minutes? Okay. I do see your trend line and I do see your support there. The only thing is that first red candle looked like broke below it, and then you bought the green candle almost like a retest to keep going lower. It ended up working in your favor, but it seems like you kind of got on that green candle once you were already below that trend line. There goes out of downtrend break right here, right? You get kind of what I'm saying? Here's Adev's downtrend break. Kevin, 22% buy at Adev, sold 103%. I got off percentage trends in the bear slow market, not dollars, half dollars. I see. I wanted to see if Tesla gets up a little higher and maybe get some puts as a small little EVFM. I haven't even heard EVFM today at all. Let's see, what is EVFM looking like now? Okay, I do see that. EVFM break one of 144. The target would be 150 and then a new high of whatever the high was a couple days ago, 154. So yeah, if you get over 144, I'd keep an eye on it today. I'd have anybody got this? I'd have downtrend. I was calling it and then I looked away. Ape Trades was calling it. And good morning. Good morning, John. Also, Grove is attempting another reclaim of VWAP after that downtrend break as well. So trying to make a little bit of a squeeze there on Grove. Adev did break downtrend and it's climbing a little bit. It's climbing a little bit. FFIE is holding that low bottom of 575, but it cannot turn back around and keep going higher. But also FFIE has a very clear downtrend as well up here. So if FFIE breaks this downtrend, you might get a curl back up to $6. Just bro, why does my music keep doing this crap? Good job, Kevin. Good job, Kevin. So here's a downtrend on FFIE. F1s is still rallying, so good job if you caught that one. But FFIE up here, downtrend. If you break this downtrend and get on the other side of it, maybe a retest of $6. Adev is reclaiming VWAP. You would have had a sniper entry if you jumped on that break of downtrend. Good job, Ape Chase, calling that one out. Grove also trying to reclaim that VWAP, and it looks like the only stocks that I'm watching today, Grove, Adev, maybe FFIE. Usea is kind of done, honestly. I probably won't trade Usea anymore, but Adev is the one that's now trying to look at Adev. This pivot up here that we couldn't get through was 150, so it'd be interesting to see if we break that 150. And there goes Grove. Look at Grove, guys. Oh, this is lower volume now that I look at it. You guys see this little sympathy play on all of them? Grove popped up, Adev popped up. These stocks aren't related, but because everybody's trading the same thing, they all move similar. Sniper trades, I mean not sniper trades, ape trades. I don't know if you took that downtrend break on Adeb. I don't know if you did or not, but you called it out and you saw that way before this move here. So good job. Even if you didn't take it today, you were able to spot it, and then next time you will take that trade. You would have been up already almost 20 cents a share. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That happens all the time. That happens all the time. Grove is reclaimed VWAP and pushing back up, but this one looks a little bit lower volume now. See, like this candle has 80, 90,000. There's FFIE break of downtrend. This is the one I want. This is the one I want to curl back up to $6. FFIE is the one I want to curl back up to $6. Nice little spike there. Buying on that little pullback here. Let's see if this one wants to turn around here. Back up to $6. There we go. Back up to $6 maybe. Keep rallying, please. Open up, open up, open up. Dang it. See if it pulls back a little bit more and I'll re-enter this one maybe. See if this one wants to give it another attempt and come back up to $6. There we go, just like that. I wish I had that 3,000 share position again, but I stopped at a break even and I re-entered with only 1,500. Nice little pop there. Can we hold $6 now? We didn't hold $6 earlier, right? We popped once, popped twice, never held $6. This time, maybe we hold it. This looks better this time. This looks better this time. 6.4 is our all-time high. I have 1,000 shares ready to see if this really wants to shoot all the way to the highs. What is this high here? 6.1. So 6.1 is our next level to break and then take off afterwards. So if you took that entry, a break of 6 or 6.01, you're still in this for a winner. Opening up nicely. I'm going to do my part and take 200 shares out. I think this one has room to 604, so I'm not taking out a lot. I'm not taking out a lot. Here is that 6.1, so I want this candle close above 6.1, maybe even retest for more people to add, but I will be cautious in case it flushes down and I'll get out of it. Okay, that was not nice. That was not nice, but still in it, still in it. Seeing if buyers still want to step in here. I have 800 shares. I'll put a stop below $6 on my last 800 shares. Cheering for me. Let's go, let's go. I'll hold these shares, 800 shares. 6.1 is that next level, so we remember $6 we broke once, broke twice, couldn't hold it, not until we held it we popped. But now 6.1 we hit it, we broke above it, couldn't hold it, rejected and closed below it. This candle would have to keep pushing higher. This one has 10 seconds left, and you can see 6.09 on the there we go, we broke there a little bit. I'm going to do my part and take 100 shares out. This could be a retest of that 6.1. Watch this. You know people are going to be stacked buying at 6.1. Right there. Look at that 6.1 holding. Look at 6.1 holding right there. It cracked. That's the little micro pullbacks you'll take. Here, people might still buy and reclaim that wick so that candle still closes higher. So that would be the candle reclaim like that. Oh my gosh, I'm calling it perfect. I'm calling it perfect. But now I needed to actually close there and next leg up. There we go, there we go, there we go. Come on, keep pulling up, keep pulling up. Hold this candle, 10 seconds left. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Let's go, let's all cheer, come on. I'm getting so excited for a $700 trade. Candle closing. It closed perfectly and you spawned below. What the frick? This is when stocks don't make sense sometimes. I still think the stock can hit 6.4. I still think the stock can hit 6.4. Something just tells me that it wants a new high of 6.4. So how about I put... Oh, very nice reclaim there. Very nice reclaim. This candle right here will hit all the way up to 618. Come on. Break this pivot here. There we go. I knew this candle was going to open up. That one candle right there. The way that recovered, it was obvious it was going to go back up to 617, 618. I'm taking off slowly, slowly, slowly at each high. Oh, I'm being patient. I would have already been out of this trade forever ago. Oh my god, Osea. Oh my god, Osea. Look at Osea, guys. This one, I have 600 shares left. I'll put a stop below 606. Usea, even where it's at right now, this looks like a nice dip here, even where it's at right now. I still have my trade open on FFIE with a stop at 606, I think is what I have it at. But I want to see if Osea wants to open up and spike up to a new high. Usea is looking nice. Usea is looking nice. This is a recent IPO, so a lot of people might come in here. There goes FFIE a little bit more. Here goes Usea as well. Usea needs to break and hold $8. Let me go back and look at my FFIE play. Looks like we've triple topped up here at 619. 5.9. Doesn't look too good for FFIE now. I'm fully out of FFIE. I let it hit my stop. Didn't want it to keep flushing. Oh, look at Grove too. Look at Grove. Oh my gosh. Grove maybe spike of $7 maybe. Grove might hit $7. 681 right here. 200 shares left. I jumped in on this one real quick for that clean spike and see if we get $7 on this one. 681 right now. These are the quick plays that you just see it happen. You see that volume come in and you have to just jump on it and take a trade. Look at 681 holding. 682 we broke it but pulled back. 684. Okay. $7. Can we hit $7? I have 200 shares, so it's not going to hurt me or it's not going to make me a lot. But I do want to see $7. There we go, 687. Keep spiking, keep spiking. I'm gonna, okay, good fill there. Thank you, Thinkorswim. Still holding 100 shares on Grove. 681. Nice. Sniper Trades also jumped in on this trade on Grove. I think I want to take my 70, 80 bucks on this one too. But 100 shares left. That's not a lot. FFIE, I did stop out of that one, but I think it was a good choice because here we go, 697. Yeah, I'm stopping out after that rejection. Okay, we're getting some momentum now. Or at least some surprise momentum. Like, out of nowhere, you just have to react quick and jump in on them. This is why I always have alerts. This is why I always have every stock open. How are my people on YouTube doing? I have 59 viewers over there. How are you guys doing? What are you guys trading? What have you traded? Any stock you want me to look at? Any questions? So, Blair is up $60. There you go, Blair. I don't care how small it is, man. The fact that you're being green is good, man. Grove is the only thing on your Momo scanner now. So FFIE could still be the play. FFIE has that triple top at 619. FFIE, you can see the way this stock just recovers every single time. Look at FFIE. I'm going to buy 500 right here just for this break. Very small share size. See if we get the break of 619. These are the ones I used to jump in with big share sizes right here for quick little breaks like that. You instantly break. Right now, I'm just going to take it slow. The ask is sitting at 50 right now. Can we bring it down? Add 6. Oh, that's 618. That's not even 619 yet. Grove has spiked up over $7 now. Here goes FFIE attempt number 1500 to break 619. There we go. Takes them out immediately on the other side. Now we're gonna open up 6-4 is the high. 6-4 is the high on FFIE. 6-4 is all-time high. We're gonna get it right here. We're gonna get it right here. We're gonna get a new high of 6-4. 6-4 is the all-time high on this stock. We're gonna get it. Trust me, guys. Mark my words. We're gonna get it. And it says also climbing back up. Oh wow, FFIE. Really, you're gonna do me like that? Because I told my viewers that we're gonna get 6-4. You're gonna do me like that? I bought in the dip early. You could have bought that dip at 619 reclaim right there, or retest. That would have been the place on that on FFIE. FFIE here, opening up again. Can we break this 6-3 level? Oh, we did break it. We just didn't move higher. Can we open up all the way to 6-4? I'm gonna close out 300 just so I have even 1,000 shares. I have even 1,000 shares on FFIE, ready to fly all the way to 6-4. This would have been the perfect place to add right here. That 619 retest. Here we go. Here we go. Can we spike up? Can we spike up and take him out of this level here? I think recent swing high maybe. All-time highs is 6-4 on this one. $630. I'm still holding 1,000 shares on this one, waiting to see if we hit that 6-4. Trying to be patient with it. Nasty flush there. I don't like that. I wanted to see the opposite. I want to see the opposite. I want to stop out. Protect my profits. Protect my profits always. So give it a little bit back there. I think I probably gave back $70, $80, which is what I ended up making on Grove on that one trade, $70 there. So I'm probably about even on the day of what I was in profit, but I still have a loss of one. Well, not all-time high, but like on the last oh, I have the no. Yeah, on which no, I mean like recently. Hold on, which one was FFIE? Like within the last 2 years, 6-4 is a high. FFIE Grove paid me well now. Good job. FFIE back up again. FFIE wants to 6-4, man. Just start just start calling opposite plays and we will all walk in with millions. Hey, I traded okay today. I traded okay today. Didn't trade bad. I still think FFIE wants to hit that 6-4. We all know that's what FFIE wants. That's why it's stopping right below. Good job, Sniper Trades, on trading that grow play. Good job. I wasn't even that patient on that one either. That one I thought the volume was low, so I didn't think it would hit that 7, but it ended up hitting it. So good job there. FFIE cannot get over 6-3. There we go, 6-3 right here. Breaking, holding above 6-3. Nope. Again, here's another attempt, 6-3. Holding above 6-3. Holding above 6-3. 15 seconds left. Pulls even higher. Like that. There we go. Takes them out at the very top of that candle. 300 shares left. There we go. Here's a break of 6-4. Here's a break of 6-4 coming up. Right. Well, I guess that broke it, didn't it? There we go. 641. Takes them out there at 641. 200 shares left. Got all the way my profit back up to $700 with only 500 shares on that play. Good job. Did I just tell myself good job? What the heck? Still holding to see if this 641 wants to squeeze to 650. But don't look like it. Six three level right there. That's what we couldn't break over. Now it's holding as support. 6-3 is now holding as support. Nope, no it's not. $651, $681. Looks like that's Sniper Trade's next entry. Wow, and this is the stock that I had 1,500 shares down low, and I was like, I know this one wants 6-4, so I'm gonna hold them, and I didn't hold them. Oh no. If I get 700 back again on this trade, I'll get out. 696 right now. 699, 700, takes them out there. Can we break a new high? Just give me $700 profit. Guys, you should never do this. You should never aim for an actual dollar target. You'll always lose. It's not smart to do this. But I have 100 shares, so it won't hurt me. It won't hurt me, but I want 700. OCD right here. Just kidding. I'm not very OCD. Some things I am, some things I'm not. What are you talking about? I don't know. Come on. $700, please. 697, 75, 697, 696. Can we please? Can you please just give me? See, I told you it's not good to do that. I told you it's not good to do that. Still holding. I'm not selling. I'm not selling these 100 shares until I get $700 profit, even if it tanks. I will wait until the day FFIE comes back up. VRU. Shot an alert. What does VRU look like? Oh, VRU spiking up, holding VWAP. Juan Trades, are you entering with market order, and how do you get good entries with market orders? I do enter market orders. A lot of times you have to get the hang of it because you can time some of these entries. Like, you know, when that candle looks like it's about to pop down or it's about to pop up, and you just wait that split second, and then it pops up, you can sell and stuff. So a lot of times it is a good timing thing that I've gotten down, but most of the times, I mean, you still get pretty good fills. It's not like you get terrible fills. And I mean, I'm not gonna get 700 bucks. spot. But Tesla's still wanting to rally. If Tesla gets up to 730, I want to get in it with puts. I see a pretty nice downtrend resistance on Tesla up there. Here we go. Here we go. 700 bucks. $700. 693, 695, 694. 693, 92. Holy crap, man. Maybe this is why my freaking trades are averaging out like, yeah, you held that trade for like 5 minutes because I'm sitting here waiting for just $5. Here's a little bit of a downtrend right here. You guys see that right there? A little bit of a downtrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles in the 1 minute time frame respecting this downtrend right here. And then on the bottom, I guess you can count these over here. Right there, look at that. Look at that. Someone Venmo wants $7 so he does not get used to bad habits. You're right. You're right. I'm telling you guys, you should not do this. This is something you should not learn from me right here. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. I'm panicking. This actually might flush pretty big, so I might just get out of here. Okay, fine. Give me 690. Give me 690. Give me 690. I'm kidding. I'm calling it there. 686 Grove. Oh, for real, guys. You should never do that. Unless you have like 5, 10 shares or like 100 shares like that where it's not going to impact you if it moves up 10, 20, 15 bucks or something like that. Then I don't care. Go ahead. But it really are bad habits. Okay, today $70 there. FFIE 686 and then minus 120 on Osea. And Osea, I had like 3 or 4 green trades on that one. It felt like. I'm gonna import my trades to see what I'm sitting at. I would think somewhere in the 500s, maybe close to 600s profit, which is okay, but wait, that's not right. $634. $634 today, I guess. 686 plus 70. Yeah, I guess that's right, because that is 7 something. Okay, I'll take it. How are you guys doing? Sniper trades, I know he took that trade on Grove and made a little bit of money on there. I don't know what his exact thing. I don't know if he saw it. I think Blair's typing. I think he was up $60 or something like that. I think Ape Trades was down like something very small. Blair, good job, Blair. Staying small and being consistent first. So do that for a month or two, and then you'll be set. Okay, Ape Trades is down $8. That is nothing for you, Ape Trades. Good job, good job. Sniper Trades is up 670 profit. Good job. John is up 153. I think John. What stocks did you trade, John? Which one did you end up making your money on? But good job, man. Good job. Good job, Sniper Trades. Good job, Blair. Kieran's already long gone. He made his money and left, so Kieran should be gone. FFIE. Okay. Yeah, FFIE was my winner today too, which this is a big uptrend right here on FFIE, and now we're below it. Can I sell short on this one? This is a hard to borrow stock. Oh, I missed that entry. Dang it, I missed that entry right there. Calling shorts like a boss. Look at this. Just look at the bigger trend line on the long side. and then just wait till you break down below it and retest it right there, and that would have been your short entry. That at 627.28. I was about to click the sell button at 626. Vero is actually still climbing. Hold on, I gotta check some other stuff though. I gotta check some other stuff to see if I gotta do some other plays. Good job trading, everybody. Though today we all did pretty good. Jesse, what up, Juan? I'm back. Hope y'all did okay without me. Honestly, let me look at Tesla because I want to actually short Tesla. Jesse, you're the Tesla master. Let me know what you think right here. Look. What do you guys think on Tesla? So, but the only thing is when Tesla goes, it goes, right? So I had this little let me take this one away to clear it up for you guys. This one as well. This one as well. Alright. Tesla. High, low, high, low, high. Didn't quite reach on the low side. Oh gosh, did y'all see FFIE? And that right there, guys, is why you don't hold to make an extra $5. That right there is why. Dang, that means I was gonna go short right there. Did I not just call the short at 626? No, I wanted that short. I want to know if I would have gotten it. Okay, I wouldn't have gotten it. Wow, man. I'm in a hard to borrow program now, and I can't sell short. I would have shorted right there. I clicked the button at 626 where I would have clicked it. That is ridiculous. Anyways, Tesla. 730-ish Tesla. That's exactly what I was looking at. Shorts taken to the dirty land. EBFM is not done in your opinion. It held the 130 support perfectly, and the multi-day is a beauty for a breakout on EBFM. Dang, British. What about the locate fees for FFIE? That was a nice short. So Tesla right here, right? So one low, high, low, high. Didn't quite reach the low. It looks like it found a very strong bottom right there and then popped up higher. But I was thinking if it gets somewhere in this area right there, you might find it short. ABFM. Let me look at ABFM. Where's ABFM? I can't find it. Bro, I can't find it. There it is. Yeah, EBFM is a I think it's a birth control thing, right? I think EBFM is a birth control company. Because as soon as they overturned Roe versus Wade, EBFM started getting traction because obviously then more need for birth control. But that is pretty impressive. Jess Bronson lost on Usea. For real, like those are the people that are like on top of it, like on top of news, history, like articles, anything. Because the second you see that, and you got to think, oh my God, maybe birth control, maybe anything like that will start shooting up. And obviously, I mean, yeah, it went from 30 cents all the way to a dollar. That's 30, 40, 50%. Or I mean 150%, 100, yeah, 150, that's triple it. Oh, 300. Wait, oh, 30 cents. I don't know why I was thinking 50 cents. Yeah, 360%. Dude, your math bad. Sorry, man. Actually, I like math. I think I'm okay with math. Math was definitely my favorite subject. I don't like English. I barely speak English. I barely spoke English. I hate history. I'm not from here. I hate history. Science, it's okay. I don't need to know all physics and laws and all that nonsense. Math, eh? Does it apply to stocks? Not really. You speak numbers. Dang, your internet crashed. Sorry. Dang, that sucks. That's one of my biggest fears if I jump into a trade with 10,000 shares and my internet crashes. Luckily, it hasn't happened. But Tesla is the one I'm looking at. Tesla's the one I'm looking at. One trade, so I kind of miss your trades. I can go over them in a little bit. I want to see Tesla rip up to 730 though, 735, and I want to short on Tesla. But it looks like the short's already happening, so let's see. Let's see why it's turning around already. With McGregor, Apple and just got hammered. I have to make back them losses on a Tesla opportunity. What did you do on Apple? Did you buy puts or something? Somebody said Jim Art. Hey, I like Jim. Okay, Art actually. Art. I'm actually pretty good at art, but I never taken art classes. Like I guess I'm just artistic or like I can draw, I can paint and stuff, but never taken classes. You'll go back and rewatch the stream. Okay, awesome. But I can explain them real quick too. For me, I'm just a natural strategist. Well, I hope you learn off your. I hope you learn, Darth Trader. So Tesla. Mark, Mark on YouTube said, "I can't dance, I can't talk. Only thing about me is the way I walk." Honestly, I think I already want a short Tesla. I don't know. What about this one up here? Uset is climbing back up. I took it off my side chart because this stock was just weird. Mm, if I draw it from that high, we haven't broken it, but if I draw it from here, I do see what y'all are saying right there. That would have been a nice entry. So if you did get this entry right there, that was good. So 2 points there. You break over with that tiny green candle, and that red candle was your little retest right there. That would have been a good entry. But I can't trust these stocks. Like this move right here, I don't know if you saw it, Jess Brown saw like the candle was right around here and then it made a wick and didn't even rally back up and then it pulled back down. So I don't know. Look at it turning around already. USAC getting back up. Okay, okay. I'm still holding call on Tesla. I still think it'll move up. Maybe slowly though. When'd you get that call though? Good job. Your call should be up pretty good. I would be careful. Growth stocks are expected to rally, especially with fear of recessions hitting oil hard and commodities deflating in prices. Some people are thinking Feds might take it easy on raising interest rates. I honestly didn't expect this move to hold from yesterday. I really expected to see the fear that rally fade off or even gap ups or downs overnight, but the rally came in today. Yeah, I will say I am kind of surprised too. I didn't expect Tesla to do that today, which is why I don't expect it to keep going up more. I don't expect it to keep rallying more, which is why I'm trying to just find one small little place, little downtrend to be able to take a short on it. But I would not feel comfortable. I do not. We might have somewhat bottomed. Honestly, I think so too. I thought SPY was gonna keep falling. I wish it would have kept falling when we were at the bottom of this trend line, because this was a pretty big respected trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we cracked below it. And I think this is at the time when the people were comparing it, or I was comparing it to the 2008 crash, and it looked like similar like this, kind of a downtrend channel. And then once we broke out of that downtrend channel, this thing just faded down. And I thought it was gonna do that too. I mean, if you look at the bigger time frames, we have room to go down. Unless this is our new low here of SPY, and then instead of going down, we're just gonna trade sideways here and do this for years because we need to. We don't need to freaking go on another 2-year rally of the best stock rally in the history of the world back to back. That's just stupid. See, look how calm the market used to be. Look how calm it used to just down, down, and then down, straight up, straight up. This market needs to hang out, and that's too high in this area for the next year and a half. Even retest this trend line down here. Look how low that is. That's made off of 2008's low, and then repeat it on 2011. Retouched it on 2016, it looks like. Again, pulled down to it on December of 2018. Fell below it, COVID, and now we're pulling back to it. So I would like to see this trend line back again. That would be good. Which is why I still think this market has a lot more to go down. Tesla needs to go down. Oh, here, you can see the little pattern a little bit better right here, what I'm talking about. You see this little pennant? I want this short up here. Do you guys agree? Do you guys see what I see? Do you think this is possible? What y'all think? What's y'all's thoughts? You think Tesla hits this high, this little bit of a pennant here, and pulls back down? On the long chart, Tesla looks like it could still move up a bit to me. Either either end of day or tomorrow would be a good short on Tesla. And this could be the bear flag. I see somebody was calling out VRU, but VRU just flushed back down, so no trades there. This could be the first leg down, kind of consolidation, and then next leg down, right? So I might even just look. Let's see, what do Tesla's puts look like for next week? Wait, what's the bottom of that channel? This is 641. 641. Usea had an alert. Okay, no, nothing interesting. 641. $500. There's not a lot. $500 for next week puts on Tesla. What do you guys think? Or actually, well, you know what you could do to save money for those of you that have a smaller account? You can buy some put spreads. I might do that actually. Vertical. How much is this? Max loss 2,000. Max profit 3,000. Break even stock 713. Am I doing this right, guys? Am I doing this right? A buy put vertical. If I want the stock to go down, 713 is my I think that's what it is, right? Vertical. I'm not gonna do 10 though. I'm gonna drop it down to like 6. I lose 1,300 bucks. No. You know what? I'm gonna pick it farther back up. When you're doing put spreads, the closer it is to the price, the less your risk to reward ratio is. If I go down here and buy a put over here, if for that same 10, I'm only risking $200, but my profit is $4,780. So the farther down it is, the more risk to reward. But I won't do that much. I'll do the 705, maybe $700. Lose it $700. Let's try 5 here. Oh, I don't want to lose 900 bucks. Frick. No, I'm paying for it. I'm paying for this, so I want Tesla to pull back. Okay, I lose 800 bucks or I make 1,600. Oh, but I want it higher. And this is end of next week. Let's do 4 here. I lose 700 or make 1,300. I like that. My break-even price is 703. Alright, I'm in. I just want to see if that Tesla will short at that 730. And I can always close this as well to minimize the loss if it's not working in my favor. But $700 for here to next week. That Tesla goes below 7, I think it was 703, 704, 705-ish. And now watch, of course Tesla's going to break through this pennant and keep flying. Smitty, hey man, I'm headed into work now. Thanks for the stream, brother. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yep, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, right? Tomorrow is the last day of the week. So, see you tomorrow, man. Mercer's also heading out. What vertical did you get? I want to see how the volume and open interest are. The 705 and 700. the 705 and 700. Usea is still holding VWAP. Usea actually might squeeze just because it's an IPO and it's holding it, but it's not being very clean. So I don't think this one's going to do a move like that. It might just keep climbing up, and then eventually keep hit the new high of $9. Yeah, it's because they're pretty close to the in the money, so they'll have the better volume. But I don't know. I mean, Tesla could rip through that trend line up there, and it's not even to that point yet. It's already getting stuck now, which. But I mean, I still like the idea. Tesla new high day. I'm down $20 on my spread. Oh yeah. I'm telling you guys, you do the opposite I do, and you'll become a millionaire. You do the opposite I do, and you become a millionaire. Usea, over 850. I mean, I did say 730, but I want 730 on Tesla, and then tank. Plus, what is the time right now? This 4-hour candle will close pretty soon at 12. So it's got 2 hours left on this candle here at the 4-hour candle to either pull back and create a nice wick, or if it closes high, then that might be a problem. But we'll see. And I'm talking about this one, the 180. What the frick just happened? This candle right here. So this one has 2 hours left for it to close. It would be better if before these 2 hours the stock pulls back and creates a nice wick. Oh, well, look at Osea. Look at Osea though. It would be good if this candle makes a nice wick here and then pulls back down. So kind of like even what this candle is doing right here. This candle at one point was green, green, green. All the way up here it was green. And then it pulled back down and created a nice wick on top. So that's what I'd be looking for this candle in the next 2 hours. You know, it's taking. Could you take a look at FFIE? Yep. FFIE was my big winner of the day. $686.26. EBFM still? EBFM just wants to rally. So FFIE had a nice uptrend on the way up. That 640 was our mark, which we broke it by 1 penny. That's ridiculous. It's funny how I was saying 640 all day long, and it got up to 641. Pulled back down, broke that trend line, so now you're kind of on the backside of it, and you are waiting for this break of downtrend. So if you hold VWAP here, and then get on this side of that trend line on top of VWAP, maybe you can start scaling in for a curl back up, kind of like what Areb did today, right? So you hold that bottom like this, and you have that downtrend. Once you break it, you can start scaling into that trade and see if it really wants to make that move back up. So this would be kind of what you're looking at on FFIE. You're holding VWAP and you're holding that downtrend. So if you get on the other side of this and then start moving high on there, then you can look for that trade back up. But I think that's going to be for me today. Did I import all my trades? I think I did, besides the Tesla ones, but I'm not going to include those, but it'll show it on here if I did. I just want to make sure I did them all. Import trades, browse. Yeah, $634 today, profit. So what it is? Yes, I'm holding my Tesla put. My Tesla put expires next Friday. Next Friday. Oh yeah, it's a spread. I mean, I guess you probably knew that, but I'm not sure if you guys know about options. So it's a spread. So it'll stay pretty balanced until, so like right now, even though it's negative, it's staying pretty balanced because one of them is going to be up and the other one's going to be down. So one is down $236, but the other one is up $206. Okay, now it's 206 and one, now it's even 186, 186. So it stays pretty balanced. So did you buy the bid or the ask on your put? I just bought it. It doesn't even ask me. I didn't even know you could do it because when I did that buy vertical. Oh, I guess I just did the limit price of whatever it told me. I forgot. So I guess I bought bid, I guess maybe, and waited for it to fill, and it filled. Oh, it's down there. Oh, I guess it's measured in mid and nat. I don't know what the heck that is. Never looked at that. The closer you get to expiration. Oh, and Dark Trader, I don't know if you know that, if you know it or not, but when you're buying put spreads, so if I go back to Tesla, the farther away, I think I kind of briefly explained it, the farther away, um, the more risk and return you'll get, but the chances of you hitting it is less, right? So for example, Tesla right now. Okay, sniper trades. I'll help you. I'll help you learn options. Yeah. What price am I in? I don't even know how to check the price of it together. I'm not the best at options either. I know what the prices of the buy and the puts are, the one I sold and the one I bought. But I don't know what the price of it combined is. It says I'm down. Oh, wait. Hmm. Hold on. 709, 1884. 175. Yeah, that's what I was doing. I kind of figured that was it. 175 is my price. Sniper trades. Holy smokes, what a move on KRBP. KRBP made a nice move. So whoever was just asking me for FFIE, it's still holding that trend line, so no trades, right? Sniper trades. How, I don't know who I watched for options. I kind of just watched a bunch of people online, but um, I'll have to think about it. Yeah, you can sell your contract whenever you want, but you'll sell it or buy it back for the price that it's at now. So depending on what it is. But for example, Tesla, right? Tesla options are expensive. You kind of know the basic sniper trades, so you got puts on the right side and then calls on the left side. Bid, you're selling. Ask, you're buying. And so if I was to just buy a straight out put for Tesla, if I buy this one right here, it'll populate the order down here. And if I just want to buy one, it'll cost whatever this is. So 24.15, which is $2,415. If I click confirm and send, it'll populate it right here. So my max loss is that price, but technically my max profit is if Tesla goes down to zero, which that would never happen. But with a put spread, I'm minimizing my risks. So if I put the one right next to the money by vertical, then it'll pop. Let me just do one so you guys can see. Since this is the closest to the in the money, it has the highest chance to play out because Tesla, if it just drops a little bit, it would be already under that price. So if Tesla ends up on July 15th, which is next Friday, below $717.87, I make 287, and I lose 213. But you see how these are very close to each other, right? You're barely risking the same amount as you're going to make because it's right next to each other. But the break-even price is pretty high, so 717. If I go down lower, say 645 and 650, if I drop it down to 1, this has a less likely chance to hit because Tesla has to drop all the way down to 644. So the only way I will make money on this trade is if Tesla finishes below 644 by next Friday. But I'm risking $53. That's all that I can lose, and I can make $447 if Tesla ends up below 644. So this is why a lot of people like options, right? I mean, I could delete this and populate it to risk 200 bucks or something like that. Let's do 10. I'm risking $500 on this trade to make $4,470. That's crazy. But obviously you need Tesla below 644. But when you see a move like that, like for example, I'm expecting like Tesla, like even here, if you called it out right there and bought that spread there and did one of those crazy ones for like 644, a week later Tesla was down here at 634, 633, and you timed that right, you just turned $500 into 5K. Or even play a little bit safer, not go so extreme, right? Maybe go somewhere in the middle, somewhere in here. That way your profit and risk are a little closer, but your chances of getting it are also closer. So instead of making 4 grand, risking 500, you're gonna risk 500 to make 2 grand, but still your price is now all the way up to 676. That's a put spread. You can do the same thing with a call spread, which would be the opposite. You want to buy it low and go high. So I do have a put spread. I think risking $700 to make. I even lost. I forgot what it was. 2,000 maybe. Yeah, you're right, Zach. Yeah, I hate that too. I'm not a fan of that. YouTube chat, could you take a look? Okay, yeah. What's the short interest on what? Jesse, I think they were just asking about options in general, like how do you, what they are. Um, Bradley, hey man, how you doing today? Last time I checked the live, you made a nice rebound from yesterday's lows. Congrats. Yeah, I think today I'm up and I'm gonna call it there. I won't trade anymore. I'm up $634. So yeah, a little bit of a rebound from yesterday, but still I guess the week is looking good. Didn't trade Monday. Tuesday I made, let me see. Sitting at $900 profit this week, and then still have tomorrow. 900 is okay. And without trading a Monday either. So yeah, appreciate it, Bradley. Let me see. I think I missed calls to do a credit spread with calls if you want it to go down. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, uh, I mean sniper trades options is so confusing. There's so many things you can do. What's the difference between a single and a vertical? Joey, single is whatever you're putting on that trade is the most you can lose, right? You can make more because it doesn't cap your wins. So it's very hard to explain. So if I buy one single put, right? If I buy one single put, and this is because I want Tesla to go down. If I buy a single, I'm risking $1,200 on this trade. My max loss is 12,000. No, because I have 10. I have 10. Sorry, I have to drop it down to 1 so you guys can see it. So 1235 times 100. That's how options are calculated. That's $1,200 max loss. That's all I can lose. But my profit is not capped. So if Tesla tanks down to 0, that would be the cap of the profit, so 67,000. But if Tesla drops down 50 points or 100 points, my 1,200 would turn into 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. There's no limit to how much I can make in this scenario, right? If I do a put spread, then it's obviously going to a vertical. It's going to cap that price. It's going to cap my profit, but it's also going to minimize my loss a little bit less. So instead of losing 1,200, I would only lose 58 on this scenario. So vertical, you're protecting your loss. You don't want to lose as much, but you're not going to make as much. And the other one, you can lose all of it, but you have no cap of how much profit you can make, unless it drops to 0, which that would never happen, but that would be technically your cap. Was watching Usea in pre-market and was very choppy. Could see the dips being bought, but just couldn't pull the trigger. Quite frustrating. Ended up walking away, no trades instead of trading and making a mistake. Hey, that's good though, cause I saw the same thing on Usea, and I knew it was very choppy, and I still kept trading it, and that was my red trade of the day, which I think I got some good fills on it. But I held them too long, so I think I was in here buying that support. I think I got in here buying that support, and I still was red on this ticker. So, but that's okay. That's okay. So yeah, as much as I've tried to learn options, it seems to be above my mental shelf. Look at IMTE. Yeah, I know a little bit about options. I mean, I know the basics. I know a couple strategies and stuff, but I don't play them enough. Again? Bro, this is the second time the stock does this. I think. I'm pretty sure it was this stock that did it. It was. This is the second talk. Look, IMT not too long ago went from $13 all the way to 4, and then today is doing it again. From $5 now down to $2. This is the second time the stock does this. Thank you. I'd like to learn options one of these days. Good morning, Juan. I still love you. Swell Granny, I love you too, man. Still love you. Welcome in. Welcome in. Amazon is a good short right now. 115 strong resistance. Let's look at Amazon. I actually see Amazon breaking out of this downtrend. I see Amazon broke out of this downtrend here. Also kind of a little pennant there. Kind of a nice little pennant here, and it is kind of breaking out. All right, folks. Tuesday was negative 1800. Wednesday was 560. Today 690. So tomorrow I need to be 550 plus, or else my winning streak ends from September 2021. You're right. The amount of knowledge you need for options can be intimidating at first. Yeah. And not to convince you guys, because obviously a lot of you guys are here and I'm helping you guys for free. But I do plan on having that options chapter on my course. I'll release my course first without it, and then I'm gonna take my time and make the options, and then release it back to on that course as well, and add it to it. So if you already have the beginning course, once I add the options, you'll be able to see it. But I'm gonna include all the basic of options, and it'll take me a little bit longer on that one too. But I'll explain everything about options there as well. Looking for FFIE. Okay, FFIE. I saw this. You guys were telling me, what am I waiting for FFIE? FFIE. I'm waiting for that downtrend break. You asked me on YouTube. Matadobe, right? Look at that downtrend that I had on FFIE. That same one that I told you earlier. You didn't break it until here. So you try to get these dips right there, and now you'd be in a little bit of profit. Yeah, it's not gonna take off and rally like we do with these strong momentums up here, but pretty good way to spy a low entry and then ride it back up. That's a lot of stress if you put it to yourself that way. He's got it. He's got it. You got it, Sniper Trez. You got it. He knows not to force anything tomorrow if he doesn't see it. He's okay with taking a red week tomorrow if it doesn't happen. He's okay with that. But I think I am going to call it at the end of the day. I mean, a freaking... And holy crap. I'm going to call it a day today for me. 634 with my stocks, and I do have an open put spread on Tesla, which Tesla is not going higher right now. They can't break that 725, 726. I had a target of 730 on Tesla to short it, but I jumped in a little early, and look at this uptrend right here. we're at it again. If we break this uptrend right here, right there, flush, baby, down to VWAP. Juantres, you sure he's okay ending his win streak from almost 1 year ago? Usea is knifing. Ooh, Usea. Yep. That is the right way to go about it. Sniper trades. That is exactly the way to go about it. That's exactly what I did last week. Was it last week that I had my worst week all year? Yep, last week I lost $1,200 last week, and it's by far the worst week all year. I've had 3 red weeks all year. The other ones were like 300 and 400. Last week I lost 1,200, but even middle of last week, I think middle of last week was already down a lot. Oh yeah, middle of last week is when I had Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday red. I knew last week was going to be a red week, and I knew it was going to be the worst week I had all year. So with that being said, I was like, I'm okay with that. I'm just going to keep trading and then come back and just trade normal, right? So it wasn't like I was trying to get it all back, and that's how Sniper Trades is feeling right now. He's not going to try to get it all back. If it's his red week and loses his streak, he's okay with it, and he'll just move on. Start fresh next week. That is the correct mentality. I'll keep you guys updated on my Tesla put. I probably won't close it today or tomorrow or anything like that. I'm just going to be patient with it and wait it out. I do need it to crack all the way down to 705. I think that was my break even, or 703, 704. I'll have to calculate it. But I have until next week. So, we're now kind of forming a rising wedge, maybe. Rising wedges tend to break to the downside. So, we'll see. We'll keep an eye on it. But I'm going to call it a day, guys. So, y'all have a good rest of your day. If you didn't trade good today or take any trades today, don't force any for the rest of the day. Make sure you just wait for tomorrow and see if tomorrow is anything better or shows more opportunities. With that being said, guys, look at that Tesla fade, crack that trend line, and dip all the way down to VWAP. And I can always close this put any time Sniper Trades. So if it's on the green already and I want to grab some profit, I can close it out. It won't be the full $2,000 profit, but it can be close if it tanks, you know. There's Tesla crack. There's Tesla crack a trend line. Juan, on your Tesla, can you make a channel pattern instead of here? I can. Still kind of getting narrower. Like this is wider than here, still kind of, but there we go. Now I'm green on my put spread. Yep, Sniper Trades, thank you for being here. Joey, thank you for being here. Dart Trader, thank you for being here. Desperanza, John, everybody, Jay Bailey, Jesse on YouTube, Bradley coming in here later on, Metadobi for asking some questions. A person who you still don't have a name, you have an emoji, I don't know what to call you. But see you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a good rest of your day.